bitches, we know damn well what time it is. It's elevator time, fuckers. Alright. Oh, for fuck's sake, it literally just left. Ouch. Sorry. I noticed this one, even though they're right next to each other, they're on different controllers, which is a bit silly. I'm sorry. Pretty good. How about you? It's got a rear door here. I love the cabs. They're pretty cool. Lobby's on 3. These used to be Westinghouse. It's on to ground and ground rear. Oh, we're already stuck. Going down?
Yes.
Well, come on in.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem. What floor?
Ground, please.
All right, that's where I'm heading.
Good. Sorry.
No worries, no worries.
What do you think of these walls? Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty trippy here.
Yeah, they are. They freak me out every time.
Yeah. Going down?
We sure are.
Yeah.
What floor?
Pardon me.
Doesn't look
Right
like what
there.
it is.
Yeah,
It's
like
it's deceiving.
Think it's like 3D.
For sure.
It's pretty cool though. I liked it.
If you guys are heading to the pool, you're gonna get out on that way, not this way.
Perfect.
It's got to be
Thank
a
you.
Laser that cuts.
Oh, for sure.
We're going downtown. You coming with us?
Yep.
Nice.
I'll go whichever way
Totally.
wants to run.
Sorry, I got one more question for
And then
you.
they paint it.
I'm actually interested in elevators, so that's fine.
Okay. This is light.
Are the motors? These aren't original.
That's probably a laminate.
No, these are motors up on the.
What?
These are motors up on the 7th floor.
Are they original?
Yes.
Really? Oh, interesting.
We converted them from DC to AC when we did the conversion.
Oh, okay. But I know the other ones have new motors, right?
No.
Oh, really? They all have the
The
old
tower
motors?
has old motors, Cloister studs, the old motors.
Cloister?
Mm-hmm.
I guess those were the hollow Whitney gears.
No, we repurposed the motors in there. They never changed the motors.
Oh,
We
wow.
just took out all the brushes and generators. And now they run directly off
That
AC.
hydro over by the pool, is that new or?
That was original, but
Uh-huh.
yet we rebuilt it when they did
I
that
see.
area.
I see.
That's still a cable.
Oh, well, thank you.
And then we have 2 cable cars here.
Oh, nice.
2 cable cars here.
Oh, nice. So thank you. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Oh, we're going up. Whew. Guess these are original motors. All right. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I'm doing. All right. That is it.